World's first Ram 3500 with a 6-inch BDS suspension kit, MY26 model, here down under. If you're keen on the new Ram platform and you want a big lift, come and see us. We're now ready for you. I'm Dean Bleasner, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds, with now over 850 US trucks through our workshop. We are Australia's most awarded American truck specialist, and for good reason. The Rams were very, very popular when we first started Big Dog Builds. The Chevys have definitely come in a big way, and I'm keen to see Ram 3500s back through the workshop. If you want one big like this one here, get in touch. If you want one a little bit smaller than this one, get in touch as well. If you're located anywhere around Australia, we can help get your new Ram up into the workshop, get a full build done, and then fly in, get a handover with the team, stay local for a few days if you haven't built a truck before, get that final handover or 1,000-kilometre checkup, and then travel home. If that's still too hard, we can help get your vehicle back to your local dealership or straight to your driveway as well. And if you're still trying to decide which truck to purchase, download our new buyer's kit. It's in the description below. There's a bunch of information in there to make sure that you land in the right vehicle, because that is the biggest decision of all. Get your new truck up into our workshop and we'll get your new dream build completed in a jiffy. Being one of the first in the world with this BDS 6-inch kit on the new facelift 26 model Ram 3500s, it's definitely the first in Australia, and this thing looks bloody amazing. The road presence with a 6-inch lift and 37s on a Ram. I don't know how I feel about this size kit in a 2500 with the coils in the rear end, but this one being a leaf-sprung 3500 means that this truck drives incredible. Yet to obviously take it off-road and test it against some of the other kits that are out there on the market, but the 6-inch, it just has that presence. It's like a 5-inch Chevy 2500 on 37s, sits similar to this 6-inch Ram 3500. The new Ram looks amazing. It's all color-coded straight out of the showroom floor from Ram Trucks Australia. This one here has the PXJ Black paint. It's got this beautiful gold sparkle that comes through in the metallic as well, and everything comes in color-coded already. So the night edition Ram 3500s, not white, are here in Australia to stay, and I'm keen to see plenty of these builds roll out through the workshop throughout the rest of the year. As we said, that color coding, the paint, the chrome deleter around the headlights filters through the whole front grille. Front bumper's already coming color coded, so no chrome at all in these new models. And being the night edition, blacked out headlights is a thing as well. And then as you can see, it's got the sport bonnet or the sport hood as well. So black badge kit, night edition, Ram 3500s now coming in every single color that Ram Trucks Australia have for the 2500s. The 3500s are now coming as well. So if you want a big capable vehicle, leaf springs in the rear end, this one here definitely pairs up against the Chevy 2500, especially if you're going heavy in the rear end. The canopy spec sort of vehicle, this Ram 3500, you might not need this big height, but the 3500 platform in Ram Trucks Australia night edition, different colors, should be definitely one for your wish list. I say to people all the time, get in behind the steering wheel on one of these Rams, test them against the Chevy, and it really comes down to they're both very, very capable HD trucks. Whether it be solid axle setup in the Ram or the independent front in the Chevy, it really comes down to your user preference. We've got these Ram trucks dialed in now. This is a fairly basic build. It's the suspension, it's the wheels, it's the tires. We've got some airbag helpers coming for the rear end there, and these ones here are going to become very, very popular. We'll swing around the side here. We'll get in amongst the suspension kit. As you can see, the enormous big coils in this 6-inch front end. You've got your Fox DSC shockies in here as well. So dual speed control, both low speed and high speed adjustability. This 6-inch kit is the radius arm kit as well. The big difference here with this kit is the new platform now has the ZF 8-speed transmission. The indexing kit from BDS, we've got the direct account from the US, and we've got the indexing kit in now, which brings that front drive shaft angle forward a little bit. It gets everything where it should be. The alignment and everything in that front end is happy. You can select four-wheel drive now, so those early kits with this new model were running around without that indexing kit because they hadn't worked it out yet for the ZF 8-speed. But now this is one of the first in the world, and definitely the first in Australia. The other thing with this suspension kit, we've also had our friends at Outback Kitters supply a BDS dual steering stabiliser in the front there as well. And what that's going to do is just help take away that little bit of feedback through the steering wheel if you're hitting potholes or you're going up gutters, bits and pieces like that, that just helps. And you can do some tweaking in those steering stabilizers to dial everything in really, really nicely. And like I said, haven't got on the road, off-road and done too much driving, but the few little laps around the block, the team have come back. They're pretty happy with how this one drives. It definitely looks like one of the best Rams that's come through the workshop to date. When you're going for a big lift kit like this one here, you definitely want to run a big 37-inch tyre at least to fill in the guards. For this combination here, we've got the 20-inch fuel wheels and we've got the Nitto trail grappler in a 37, 12.5, 20. So Nitto trail grapplers, although it's only a 12.5 wide, not a 13.5, it definitely fills out the flares really nicely. And for those ones there, we've got the Husky DRT style flares. They're just a little bit different to the traditional extend smooth flares. They do come out that little bit further and they're going to give you a little bit more coverage compared to the Extend series flare that you see on most of our builds. This one also has a bit of a different style with the cutaway sort of flat sections there, and it just gives that little bit of a unique look and not as popular as some of the other flares. So I like when the builds are that little bit different. This one here is going to stand out on the roads here in Australia for a long time, but having that little point of difference there with the DRT style flares covers those tyres really, really nicely. We've also added the Rockbox mud flaps on the front end, and up the rear end there, we've got the mud flaps at the back as well. So having the DRT color-coded flares at the rear as well, that PXJ Black paint just looks amazing. The rear mud flaps on the back there as well to stop the stones flicking up. And a big truck, you need to be able to get in and out of it as well. So what we've done, we've installed the AMP Research or the real truck electric side steps. For this model here, we've gone for the standard option. We do have an XL series option as well. For these bigger trucks, you've got that extra sill and it can drop down that little bit further. The steps will pause, which means you can climb up it if you're wanting to get up to wash the roof, for example. Open and close that door and it's going to reset the module and then fold away. So those real truck steps make getting in and out of these big trucks a whole lot easier. Even if you're not going a big lift kit like this one here, having electric side steps are a lot better than the factory ones. Factory ones I find you sort of slide off on the Rams, they're that little bit rounded, but the real truck electric side steps just make your life a whole lot easier. The rear of this one here, quite a simple setup. There's no tonneau cover yet on the back. The customer's original wheels and tyres have been put back up in there. So the back end here, we've got the big drop hitch from Jenny Hitch in the US as well. That one there's got your 50mm or 75mm ball, which is flippable. And then you've got your AT tongue as well. So your AT tongue is what has the 32mm hole board in it. And then you can run a shim if you were running a DO35, or you can do your DO45 straight into it. 50mm ball, 70mm ball, do whatever you want on the back there. You've got your 12-pin plug standard ready to tow. This one here hasn't even got Anderson plugs. It's one big tough daily. So if you like a big lifted Ram, ours is in the R&D section in the shed at the moment. Who knows what sort of kit we're going to put into that one there, but this one here, it definitely has presence, definitely looks the part. And if you're chasing a big Ram, get in touch today. We've got these BDS kits in stock, ready for your new Ram 25, 3500. There's a few different style of kits that we can do. With the new Ram models coming out in different colors, you might still be unsure at what vehicle to purchase for yourself. Download our new buyer's kit, which is in the description below. It's got a bunch of information in there. Every single build suits families and situations different to one another. The buyer's kit's the first place to download a whole bunch of information, work out what vehicle platform will suit you best, because the biggest decision is what vehicle platform to purchase in the first place. The second biggest decision, what's going to affect the family, the budgets, all of those things. Staying legal on the road is a big one. The easiest decision of all though is choosing Big Dog Builds to build your new vehicle. Just remember, if you're located anywhere around Australia, we can help get the vehicle up into the workshop, get the build done, fly in, and then drive it home. If that's still too hard, we can help get the vehicle back to you as well. As you know, we're the best in Australia when it comes to all HD trucks, and these new Ram 3500s in the different colors. No more white. You can still bring your white ones in as well, but I'm keen to see all different colored Rams come through the workshop with your name on it. Get in touch today. And guys, if you like this video, check these two out above, these two down below. They're ones to watch as well.